Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to upload documents to WES. To begin, ensure you have already created your WES account and obtained your unique WES reference number. This number is crucial for all correspondence and document submissions. You will need to access your online WES account dashboard to initiate the document submission process. Make sure your application is complete up to the point of document submission. Before proceeding, meticulously gather all necessary academic documents. This typically includes official transcripts from every post-secondary institution you have attended. Each transcript must be sealed in an envelope directly by the issuing institution, with their official stamp or signature across the seal. You will also need to complete the WES Academic Records request form for each institution, which must be included inside the sealed envelope. Finally, have your degree certificates or diplomas ready for submission. The singular, official method for submitting your academic transcripts to WES is direct mail from your educational institutions. WES explicitly states that documents sent by applicants themselves, even if sealed, will not be accepted as official. Your institutions must mail the sealed, stamped envelopes containing your transcripts and the completed WES form directly to WES. Ensure your WES reference number is clearly written on the outside of every envelope to prevent delays in processing your evaluation. Once your institutions have mailed the documents, regularly check your WES online account for status updates. It can take several weeks for WES to receive, open, and process your mailed documents after they arrive at their facility. The online portal will indicate when each required document has been received and accepted. If you notice a significant delay, or if documents are marked as missing, contact WES Customer Support for clarification. Be prepared to follow up with your institutions if resubmission is necessary.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.